the last 2 days have been the most beautiful parts of the Great Divide.
You're gonna go to our camp and steal our food.
Get back, get back, get back.
Okay.
If you are just tuning into our bikepacking adventure, we are Liz and Alex. And this summer, we took on the northern section of the Great Divide mountain bike route, starting in Jasper National Park. After spending about a week biking from Jasper to Canmore in our previous videos, we are now continuing on to Banff.
So honey, what did you discover?
Oh, our tires are really low. I bought a gauge and I think I've definitely been underinflating them just because I had no way of telling what their PSI was. So we've been running really low tire pressure.
Maybe that's why we're slow? We'll tell ourselves?
Sure.
So I think after our last experience with not having enough food, we went a little overboard this time, and I have no idea how we're gonna fit all this food in. It is just insane. And we're only going 3 days without services. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 10 of our GDMBR adventure. We had a rest day yesterday, which was lovely. We both are feeling much better. Our legs aren't feeling quite as awful, just the tiny bit we've gone since the campsite. So that was really nice. We spent one night in a hostel and the other night in a campground because the hostel was booked. So if you want to stay in Canmore, book ahead, guys, because they fill up quick. We only have about a 15-mile ride to Banff. So we're gonna get there super soon. Already we're surrounded, guys, by gorgeous mountains. The Canmore area is beautiful. Just look all around us. Gorgeous views. Woo! Nice little bike path here that follows the freeway to Banff. Alright guys, we have this gorgeous view behind us. Honestly, we've stopped so many times for videos and photos so far, so this is going to be a long 15 miles to Banff. But yeah, this is beautiful. Even if you don't do the Great Divide and just bike from Canmore to Banff, this bike trail is awesome. Tons of people rent bikes and stuff and do it. So what's going on, honey?
My back brake's not working at all. I wonder if something got messed up when they replaced my tire. I'm definitely gonna need to get that fixed. Like, I can put this on all the way and pedal without like pretty much any resistance. So that's not good.
This is part of our taking a chiller approach from here on out of the Great Divide, hanging out outside of a cafe in Banff.
Took it to this bike shop here, Snow Tips, and the guy was really nice. He showed me how to do the adjustment if I need to in the future, which I may need to do on Liz's bike because I know her brakes are running a bit thin. Beautiful building, wow.
Alright guys, we're at the Banff Springs Hotel, which I believe is the start of the original GDMBR before they added the Jasper extension. It's a gorgeous building, super beautiful. We only ran into one other GDMBR during the whole Jasper to Banff section, so I'm guessing we'll run into more people. My hypothesis is that maybe most people just do Banff down, but who knows? We'll see. We definitely have a late start. It's like 2 p.m.
The official start. So right off the bat, we're on this beautiful trail that other motorized vehicles are not allowed on, so we definitely, I think we should have started here instead of Jasper. There's a bear. Hello, buddy. Hello. Stop, stop, stop. Hello, little buddy. Stop, 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 stop. It's a bear. I'm worried that it's a baby. Was it a black bear that's just brown?
Oh, he's right there. He definitely looks like he might be a juvenile, so we might be really dumb right now, guys. I don't know. There might be a mama. You don't have your bear spray, right? Both don't have our bear spray, guys.
Not even a mile into this trail, and we already see our first bear, so that was very exciting. So young, like he looked like not quite a baby, but maybe juvenile. Very cute bear.
Yeah. I can't tell you guys how nice it is to be off the busy road. I hate to be negative on this channel too much, but we like to give the reality of things, and the Jasper section just had so many cars, guys, just always blowing up dust in our face, that honestly, if I had a friend doing this, I probably wouldn't recommend doing the Jasper section for that reason. Granted, there was a lot of beautiful sections still.
This view is amazing.
All right, guys, we have come to a gorgeous lake with mountain views. Man, it's been a beautiful day today, guys. Amazing.
This terrain is really rough. Whoa. Just like a rock field.
Now we got like a red carpet.
We plan to do a shorter day today because you're only allowed to camp in designated sites in this area. I think it's mostly because of bear activity. So we are at a designated site. Apparently the ground here is really tough. I broke the top of the stake off trying to hammer this in. Thank goodness.
Guys, the scenery around me is insane near our campsite. Look at this. That is crazy.
These ground squirrels hibernate underground for 8 months of the year. During the other 4 months, they tried to acquire as much food as possible. For these small rodents, unattended campsites are an excellent source of food.
Are we gonna play this all morning? Are we? Right, guys, there's a black bear at our campsite.
Wow, he's close. Oh boy, oh boy.
Oh my God, he's big.
He's gonna go to our camp and steal our food.
That is so cool waking up to that. He's a big guy. Wow. Now that's the way to start a morning. Good morning, everybody. It is day 11 of our GDMBR adventure. Day 10 actually riding though because of our rest day. It's been an exciting morning already between the gopher and the black bear. There was someone running on the road earlier today. We had to be like, there's a bear, don't run right next to the bear.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go hit the road. Yesterday was such a great day being away from the car, so we're hoping we get more of that from here on out. And yeah, here's to hoping we see more bears.
Yeah. And that they don't attack us.
Yeah.
It's really the grizzlies that are the ones to be concerned about because they aren't scared of us.
We haven't seen any yet, so maybe we'll see one today.
Maybe.
Beautiful morning. The views have just been insane today, like the best of the whole trip so far. Just gorgeous. All right, guys, we've been just told there's a grizzly bear just up here in a ditch. We're keeping our eyes peeled. Dun 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 dun. Come on, grizzly. Guys, well, we've been going for a while, haven't seen him, so I think he must have scurried off.
A few moments later.
He's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Hi, honey. We're friends. Okay. Let's go. That was one of the stupidest things we've done.
Definitely scarier than a black bear, that's for sure. All right, let's get out of here. Well, that was crazy. So for comparison, in our entire 8 days biking from Jasper to Canmore, not a single animal at all. No bears, no elk, no deer, maybe a couple of chipmunks. This is the start of our second day on the Banff section, and that's the third bear that we've seen. So, wow, definitely quite a difference here. That was so crazy the way he popped his head up like that. Wow.
Today's scenery, guys, has just been unreal. Just gorgeous.
As I've mentioned before, every day there is some kind of challenge, at least one kind of challenge that we have to face. And today is the terrain. We're dealing with this very large road, and you're often forced to choose between either sections that are complete washboard or sections that are really thick gravel. Very rarely you'll get a nice smooth bit of it, but definitely makes you go really slow. And we have a lot of miles to do today, so I hope we can, hopefully we'll get some better terrain soon because we are going so slow. Oh yeah, we also met some other cyclists on the route doing a different trail, and we've been chatting with them, so that definitely slowed us down a bit, but it was really nice seeing people.
All right, guys, we have ran into another grizzly bear closure, which is kind of ironic since we biked right by a bear this morning, a grizzly. But yeah, there's another part of the Great Divide that's closed because of grizzly activity. So we're veering a little off course. I'm gonna take the road.
All right, we made a little pit stop here in the Bolton Creek campground area, and they have this little trade post with an ice cream shop, so we definitely had to get some ice cream. It was very good. Might grab a couple of things at the trade post. I've already done nearly 38 miles today, and it was feeling really easy. And then we started to head up this thing called Elk Pass. Wow, it's brutal. It's like straight up. Definitely need to hike a bike here. It's, I mean, probably someone more in shape than me could bike up it, but yeah, it's rough.
We got lots of hills, and I'm feeling that ice cream.
How's this downhill section going for you?
Gosh, my hands are so sore from braking. Oh, I had to keep taking breaks down this to just like let them rest for a little bit.
Yeah, even my hands are getting sore from this. Really steep.
It's been slow going. We're gonna get to camp late, I think.
There's just some incredible views over here. We came around this corner, and now we're seeing these mountains with these glaciers up there. It's just so beautiful.
All right, well, it's definitely almost 9. We took our merry little time today. But it was a gorgeous day. But honestly, I feel like the last 2 days have been the most beautiful parts of the Great Divide that we've experienced. And we're just at like a wild, non-official campsite. And we're gonna quickly make dinner so we can go to bed before it gets too dark.
I just noticed above you, there's a little thing you can hang your bear stuff on.
Oh, that's so nice.
It's so good.
Some of the campsites don't have that, and these trees you can't hang stuff on easily. So that's gonna be really nice. You okay?